Braised pork belly is a classic dish known for its tender texture and rich, caramelized flavor. Simmered in a savory sweet mix of soy sauce, sugar, and spices, it's a comforting favorite in Chinese households. Popular across many regions of China, each area brings its own twist to the recipe, often served at family gatherings and special occasions. Braised pork belly is a classic dish that holds a special place in Chinese culinary tradition. It's a staple in many regional cuisines, with variations in sweetness and spice levels, and is often enjoyed as a comforting centerpiece in family meals or festive occasions. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight dinner or a more elaborate meal, braised pork belly delivers satisfying flavor with minimal effort. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.